The Baker Business Bowl is a business plan competition for all the students on campus. The winner is awarded $10,000 to promote their venture, and the runner-up receives $5,000 to do the same. Round 1 is the submission or the idea round. Round 2 is the elevator pitch round. Then we proceed down to 5 different teams, which now proceeds to round 3. They actually have another panel of judges, and each team will give a 30-minute presentation on their business plan and their venture idea itself.
I decided to enter the Baker Business Bowl because I saw a problem in the world of fencing. A lot of women do not have the protection that they need when we participate in the sport, and it's a project I've really been passionate about, and I really want to get it patented and on the shelves.
A lot of people always have dreams, but very few people take action on them. And I think as a student, it's maybe hard to take more action because you're so busy. But this is just one opportunity for the students to actually think and create a business, act upon it, and try to take that dream into a reality.
The Baker Business Bowl is an important initiative because it gives the students a real-life feel of what it would take to start a business, marketing, creativity, actually go through the business plan, crunch some numbers, so they can see what it's like in real life. It also gives them the opportunity, when the contest is complete, for them to actually put their ideas into real life.
I would tell someone who's considering to enter the Baker Business Bowl to just do it. The worst they can tell you is no. What's next is I'm going to be building the business and really getting that kickstart in there. I've got some investment on the side that I'm going to be putting into it, and we're just going to be kind of launching, building the products and getting them out into the market.